Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join and host sea fishing events in Heartopia. So the sea fishing event in Heartopia is the best way you can earn huge amounts of heart coins, rare sea life, and also exclusive furniture rewards. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can join one. So first, if you want to host a fishing event, you can just talk to Bill in the fishing village, and after that you'll be asked to enter a boat, and after that you just need to wait until the departure time. And if you have teams, you need to wait for them to join you, and you can departure to the fishing spots. And once you arrive in the sea, you just need to cast your rod, and usually it will comes with a quest. You need to catch a certain amount of fish, and also if you are in a team, you need to also finish your team goals in catching certain fish. And once you finish all that, you just need to wait again for the returning time. But you need to know that there is a fishing time, so you need to catch as many as fish as possible. And once you finish your personal goals and for the team goals, you can just wait for the return, and you'll finish the sea fishing event. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.